Okay, this is a Zorki 4K that I have. Funny story about this 4K is that when I first received it, actually it works fine, just that the shutter is a bit, how to say, it does not correspond to the actual speed that I select. So when I asked my supplier, he asked me to adjust the top, but however after I adjusted it, weirdly and oddly, the shutter just stopped working. So yeah, really sorry about this. I will just be selling this as it is. So let me show you the outer cosmetics first. This is the front, the back, the top, the bottom. Okay. I think the light is too strong. Wait, let me adjust. How does this look? Better. Okay, so let me take out the glass. So this is the lens itself. The focus is nice and smooth. Aperture works nice. The glass quality show you now. Okay. Show you the inside. So yeah, so the aperture, the shutter is stuck wide open. Like it doesn't close back. Yeah, hopefully someone can fix it. And yeah, there you go. Thanks everyone.